Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing another declutter video. However, this is not my typical declutter video. This one is going to be with clothes in my closet. I need to get rid of so many things. So I have lost some weight and a lot of these shirts that I'm showing you here don't fit me. I now wear like a small, sometimes medium, and a lot of these shirts are a size large. So I'm going to get rid of all of the large ones because they're just way too big, and some of the mediums, and then some of the stuff I just don't like and don't want anymore. So my shirts are long overdue. You can see I have them organized by color. The top row is all short sleeve shirts. The bottom row is activewear, tank tops, and then regular tank tops, and then there's some shorts off to the right. So in this video, I'm just tackling my shirts. I'm not going to go through like my dresses, my long sleeves, my pants, my activewear bottoms because I just didn't have time. I'll do that in a separate video, but I'm just going to go through each one. The ones that I'm getting rid of are the ones that I'm tossing on the floor, and you will see I got rid of a lot of stuff and it felt so nice. Now I can actually see what's in my closet as far as my shirts anyway, and I should have done this a lot sooner. So let me know if you like these types of videos and I will film more of them. I feel like I really want to get back into makeup videos, but I got to maximize my time. And when my daughter's at school and my son is taking his nap, that's the only time I can really get things done. So I really want to like declutter things in my house before I kind of get back into the makeup video. So let me know if that's cool with you guys. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy. These are all the shirts I'm getting rid of. I filled up 3 full trash bags and it feels amazing. And I can't wait to go through like my pants, my long sleeve shirts, my dresses, my activewear, leggings, because I have a lot of those. And yeah, so thank you guys again for watching this video. Love you guys. Bye.